RT-PCR on lab on chip. The word RT is also used for real-time PCR, but here what I am going to discuss is the reverse transcription PCR on LOC. Reverse transcription PCR is an advanced technique. Technique is used in molecular biology, for diagnostic, and in forensic. In this technique, we need to isolate specific messenger RNA and we have to quantify it. This messenger RNA is isolated from a cell or from a whole tissue. The quality of messenger RNA is very important for performing a good reverse transcription PCR. ये तो हम जानते हैं कि DNA is stable than RNA. RNA is susceptible to different types of attack, enzymatic attacks. One of them is attacked by the RNases. RNA के अंदर ही दरअसल ऐसे सीक्वेंसेस होते हैं जो कि RNA को डाइजेस्ट या डिग्रेड कर सकते हैं. इन एंजाइम्स को डाइसर भी कहा जाता है. इसलिए RNA की आइसोलेशन बहुत मुश्किल होती है और इसके लिए हमें बहुत एहतियात करनी पड़ती है. There are different techniques used to get a good quality DNA. The technique which is used in RT-PCR lab on chip technology, that is the magnetophoresis. Magnetophoresis is a very simple technique and it is a contactless method. यानी कि आपको ये मैग्नेटिक पार्टिकल्स जो हमारा रिक्वायर्ड पार्टिकल्स है या रिक्वायर्ड मॉलिक्यूल है उसके साथ ये कांटेक्ट नहीं करते. दिस टेक्निक इज वेरी स्पेशल दैट इट डज नॉट इफेक्ट ऑन द pH, ionic strength, surface charge and temperature of the molecule. So magnetophoresis is easy to operate, it is low cost and very simply designed. In this technique, the particles or the required molecules, they moved in the magnetic field. We used this technique for the isolation of messenger RNA. In a lab on chip, there is a closed system, and this system is very helpful in isolating the messenger RNA and protecting it from RNA degrading enzyme that are RNases. So what we need is to get a good quality DNA that RNA. RNA should be protected from the RNases, and by using this technique, we can prepare messenger RNA within 1 minute. How does it happen? We use a special technique. The microfluidic channels are inlaid by a special material. This material is nickel and आयरन बेस्ड मटेरियल, यानी कि निकल और आयरन को मिक्स करके इन माइक्रोफ्लूइडिक चैनल्स में ले किया जाता है, जिसके नतीजे में हम मैग्नेटोफोरेसिस टेक्निक इंट्रोड्यूस करा सकते हैं. एंड दिस magneto technique is very helpful in isolating the DNA. Magnetic oligo-DT beads are used for RNA purification. You can see in this slide the magnetophoresis technique. The separation of target molecule. Our target molecule is messenger RNA. What we have done is we have loaded blood sample. Blood sample load करने के बाद हमने इसमें magnetophoresis introduce कराया. As a result, with the help of these magnetic beads, messenger RNA molecules are separated from the other cells of the blood, and this is a very useful technique. Now, what is the working for this reverse transcription PCR on lab on chip? सबसे पहले हम ये देखेंगे कि ये lab on chip किस मटेरियल की बनी होती है. This lab on chip is made up of PDMS and glass. And how does this work? There are two different regions. One is for RNA and other is for DNA. RNA has separate microchannels and there is a separate microchamber for DNA. How does it work? Basically, once we have isolated the messenger RNA, this messenger RNA is transferred to the microchamber for the DNA, cDNA synthesis. And in the DNA chamber, the cDNA is synthesized and with the help of messenger RNA and the stored reagents which are available to the system. You can see in this slide that how this reverse transcription PCR on LOC works. Here is we introduce the blood sample mixed with the buffer, and after mixing with the buffer, we have introduced the technique, that is the ferromagnetic wires are laid into the microchannels. These wires help in the separation of messenger RNA. This messenger RNA is transferred to a DNA channel and the waste outlet is removed immediately. And once this messenger RNA get into the DNA chamber, here the reagents are available and the cDNA is synthesized. And then when the cDNA is synthesized, it is used for the other procedures which are required to detect the expression of a particular protein. Now, in summary, RT-PCR microchip, it consists of RNA microchannel and a DNA microchamber. यानी कि we have different channels. RNA के जो microchannels हैं, they are inlaid with nickel and iron metal, and there is a separate channel for DNA. And the ferromagnetic wire are very helpful in isolating the pure messenger RNA, and we can isolate messenger RNA within 1 minute. mRNA is used for the synthesis of complementary DNA, and we can amplify the gene expression or we can determine the gene expression by using the technique.